right, guys, we're extending this guy's birthday. It's Saturday, and we got like what, 2-3 hours for me at least. So a little bit of time, big fish.
You have to get back on it. It's upside down. You just climb up on top.
Exactly. You could chop
the boat.
I mean, if it's
flip
full,
the trolling motor over.
if it's got foam in it, like you literally probably could chop it in like 3 pieces and it's still float. You getting? Is that a fish? Yeah. All right. It's a smallie, isn't it? Ah, yeah. I think. What? Is it a walleye? It's a walleye! Yes! Happy birthday, Caleb! Yes! Yeah! Yes! Woohoo! That's what I'm talking about. That's a nice walleye. Here, let me pull your other rod up so you can work. Wow, he's a good walleye. That's a nicer walleye than we had yet from yesterday, huh?
It's a decent guy. I think about the same, about an 18-incher.
18? 17?
17-incher. That'd be cool, wouldn't it? We could figure out like jig and crawler it.
The wind's in the right direction, it would just blow us across here.
It is, actually. That's what I was thinking. Just light drift, light jigs, whole crawlers.
Yeah. I got one jig on. Is it getting hit? What? Nice. Should just be the cameraman.
The last ones. Might be a bass. Might be a pike.
Is it a walleye?
I think a bass. I think a
No,
bass.
it's a walleye.
No way, dude. No way. Come on.
Happy birthday, man. This is...
Yeah, that's cool.
It's probably what, 16?
15 on the head.
All right.
Swivel is the one that has like a little clip on it, right?
Yeah.
So this is just a straight swivel.
Yeah.
So this goes in between your braid and
Yep.
your fluorocarbon. And that's super important.
If I do buy braid, it's always the green stuff though. Why do they make that stuff like bright yellow and all this other stupid stuff? Like,
Well,
why would you want bright line for fishing? Isn't that just stupid?
It's nice in dirty water to see how straight your line is. You can actually see it down a foot or two, whereas the green just disappears.
But that's gotta scare the fish a little bit.
Not in dirty water.
It sure would.
I have some Suffix 832 that's the yellow.
Yep.
The reel hadn't broken, I'd still be using it. It's awesome for spring jigging when the water's dirty and it doesn't matter. For this, I wouldn't use yellow. I wouldn't even use green without fluorocarbon leader.
But anyways, when I saw that one, I was like, wow! So then I quick rewatched all of them. Or I watched all of them. It's always... What's that?
I'm boring the other way.
Did you get... Was that a weed? Fish? Yes. Did I call it or what? I told you this spot was it. He's on? Yes. Attaboy, man. You need a net?
Yeah.
Yeah. Want me to reel up your other one?
No, it's alright. I think it's another walleye.
Another walleye, huh? I think if we had a waypoint finder, we'd have to mark that point, huh?
Or might be a bass fighting like that.
Nope. Nicely done, my brother. Nicely done. Happy birthday, Caleb.
Girl, I swear I get scared looking in your eyes.
Dude, he just smashed it.
Start thinking about where I'd be now.
Wow. Look at that nice walleye. See guys, this is why you go out fishing with Caleb. I think that pass is worth marking, huh?
Absolutely.
Well, I'd say 3 walleye from 1 spot.
No, I totally agree. It was
That was a good run.
miraculous, son.
For a short day, holy crap. Those walleyes
we
were...
were supposed to fish together.
No.
It was a blessing.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, birthday boy, what do you think? Was that a good day?
It was a lot better than we expected. Target species changed, but we ended up catching a couple really good fish and making the most of an afternoon.
Yeah, awesome, couple hours. You need to start your own channel.
I really should.
You really should. You probably would do really well.
They wouldn't be like 20-minute videos though. I would be like short and sweet. Be like, this is the intro. I caught 3 walleyes. Outro done.